coming lecture. Yeah, please check audio video is okay or not. Please verify audio video is okay or not. Let me know audio video is okay or not. Those people who are watching, please check audio video okay or not. If any problem, please please type in the comment section. Right, accordingly I will take the action. Right, good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right. So welcome to 50 most tricky questions of compiler design, lecture number 3. Lecture number 3. 50 most tricky questions of compiler design, lecture number 3. Already 2 lectures are done. If anyone is not attended, please go through it because it will really useful to you. Right? Please go through them. Today is the lecture number 3. Right? So see the first problem. See the first problem of today's class. This is the first problem of today's class. Read it. Consider the following expression grammar. The semantic rules for expression calculations are stated next to each grammar production. Some grammar is given with the semantic actions. The above grammar and the semantic rules are fed to a YAC tool, which is an LALR1 parser generator for parsing and evaluating arithmetic expressions. Which one of the following is true about the action of YAC for the given grammar? Right? So some grammar is given with the semantic action, means one SDT is given. One SDT is given with the semantic action. The above grammar and the semantic rules are fed to a YAC tool, which is an LALR1 parser generator for parsing and evaluating arithmetic expressions. Which one of the following is true about the action of YAC for the given grammar? So this is a given problem, right? So these are the options for that. These are the options for that. Please read the options. It detects the recursion and eliminates the recursion. Option B. It detects reduce conflict and resolves. Option C. It detects shift reduce conflict and resolve the conflict in favor of shift over reduce action. D. It detects shift reduce conflict and resolve the conflict in favor of reduce over a shift action. So what is the answer you are thinking? So what is the answer you are thinking? It is a very difficult problem. Please take care once. It is a very difficult problem. Please take care. So what is the answer you are thinking for this? What is the answer you are thinking? And one more thing is, see this one. Right? So grammar is given, yes, right? Grammar and semantic action means SDT is given, right? So in this SDT, some problem is there if you can identify. What is the problem? Can anyone guess? In this grammar, that means in this SDT, some problem is there. What is the problem? If you can verify. This SDT having some problem. Please let me know, right? If you can identify. What is the problem it is having? So if you want, you can see this SDT. So the problem with this SDT is going to be See the SDT. Once again I'm reading. E goes to num, E goes to E plus E, E goes to E star E. E goes to E plus E, E goes to E star E. So means what I want to say is, the problem with this SDT is, I will try. E goes to E plus E, E goes to E star E. This is the directly given problem. E goes to num, or E goes to E plus E, or E goes to E star E. E goes to E star E. Right? This is the given one. So you know very well it is an ambiguous grammar. You know very well it is an ambiguous grammar. Assume that I want to generate 2 plus 3 plus 4. So I think 2 parse tree is possible. What is the way? E goes to E plus E, E goes to E plus E. So I can expand left also, I can expand right also. This is the one way, and this is the one more way. E goes to E plus E, I can expand left also, E plus E. 2 plus 3, right? 2 plus 3 plus 4 to this expression, left is, right? So 2 parse tree is possible. So given grammar is a ambiguous grammar. Careful. Given grammar is a ambiguous grammar. Not only for this particular input string, I think combination of, 2 stars are there, then also problem. 2 stars are there, then also problem. Combination of plus and star also problem. So multiple parse trees are possible. Some people are asking combination of plus and multiplication, sir, how it is a problem? You can see this. I want to generate 2 plus 3 star 4. See this one. E goes to E plus E. I took the plus first, but I want, right, plus first, afterwards star. Yeah, this is the one tree. This is the one tree, everyone now. One more tree you can see. E goes to E star E. E goes to E star E. But according to the given problem, plus should come first. So expand this side. E plus E. So if you want, you can check. Right? This is also generating same. Where E goes to num. Everywhere, right? E goes to num. Num means number. E goes to number. So it is the ambiguous grammar, everyone know. So this is the problem with this grammar. This is the problem with this grammar. This is the grammar with this, right? This is the problem with this grammar. Careful. So it is the ambiguous grammar. It is the confirmed, it is the ambiguous grammar. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. So, right, given a grammar is, forget about this semantic action. SDT means grammar plus semantic action. Forget about this one. Right, SDT means grammar plus semantic actions. So forget about those semantic actions. So grammar. So the given grammar is a ambiguous grammar. Whenever it is a ambiguous grammar, listen, whenever it is a ambiguous grammar, this grammar can never be LL1. Ambiguous grammar can never be LL1. Ambiguous grammar can never be LALR1. Right? Ambiguous grammar can never be LR1 also. SLR1 also. Everyone know this. Everyone know this. Ambiguous grammar cannot be LL1, cannot be LALR1, cannot be LR1, cannot be SLR1. Now anyhow, we are not talking about all these things, right? The parser which people will use in all LR parser, right? LR1 is the powerful, it's okay, but it is the costly also. In all LR parsers, the thing which people use, practically used LR parser is LALR1. Practically used LR parser is LALR1. This problem is talking about LALR1 only. Now see what he is talking. See the problem? The above grammar and the semantic actions are fed to a ACT tool, which is an LALR1 parser generator for parsing and evaluating arithmetic expression. Which one of the following is true about the action of ACT for the given grammar? Means I think let's see this one. Given grammar is a ambiguous grammar. If you construct a LALR1 parser for the given grammar, compulsory in LALR1 parsing table, somewhere you will get conflict. Right? If you construct a LALR1 parsing table for the given grammar, because of given grammar is a ambiguous grammar, definitely in the LALR1 parsing table, somewhere you will get conflict because it is the ambiguous grammar. it is a confirm that LELR1 parser, LELR1 parsing table if you create for this grammar, compulsory you will get the conflict. Some people are asking, LELR1 parsing table if I create for this grammar, I will get the conflict, I am okay, but what about LR1 for that also? What about LL1 for that also? Now some people are asking, sir, if it is the case, why are you saying about LELR1 only? See the problem. This problem talking about LELR1. That is the reason I am talking about LELR1. Please be careful. So, for the given grammar, if I want to construct LELR1 parsing table, because of it is the ambiguous grammar, LELR1 parsing table internally contain compulsory some conflicts. Compulsory some conflicts. Now the question is going to be, so how to eliminate those conflicts, right? If you give this grammar to the ACT tool, which is if you give this grammar to the ACT tool, it will generate LELR1 parsing table. If conflicts are there, it will resolve also. This grammar if you give to the LELR, right? This grammar if you give to the ACT tool, right? ACT tool not only creating the LELR1 parsing table, right? If at all any conflict is there, it will resolve also. It will resolve also. This one you should know this. If you do normal way, this grammar, ambiguous grammar, LELR1 parsing table, if you try, guarantee you will get conflict. But if you give this grammar to the ACT tool to create LELR1 parsing table, what the ACT tool will do is it will create LELR1 parsing table. At anywhere conflict is there, it will resolve also. It will resolve also. Some people are asking how it will resolve. How it will resolve. Just remember how it will resolve. In the LELR1, everyone listen. For the ACT tool, if you give, right, grammar and if you say create LELR1 parsing table, what ACT tool will do is LELR1 parsing table it will create. Somewhere in the table, you got SR conflict, S by R. Somewhere you got SR conflict. What the ACT tool will do is SR will replace it by S. SR will replace by S. Careful. SR will replace by S. Suppose assume somewhere in the table R1 by R2. What is the meaning? RR conflict is there. What he will do is he will replace R1 R2 by first reduce R1. So it will resolve. Right? ACT tool will create LELR1 parsing table for the given grammar. At anywhere conflict is there, it will resolve. How it will resolve is SR conflict is there. It will give more priority to shift entry rather than reduce. Please remember, I'm writing now. ACT tool, right? At anywhere SR conflict is there, it will replace by S. Please remember this. This is the only thing what you have to remember. For the ACT tool, right? For the ACT tool, at anywhere SR conflict it is able to see, he will replace SR by S. Right? ACT tool will do one more thing also. At anywhere reduce conflict is there, reduce conflict is there, he will give priority to first reduce. First reduce means what? While writing the production, first production, second production, you written the first production. So it will give more priority to first production rather than reduce. This is the only thing which you have to take care about the ACT tool. Careful. Right? This is the only thing which you have to take care about ACT tool. Right? If anyone asks you from today onwards what the ACT tool will do, you just simply say ACT tool will create LELR1 parsing table for the given grammar. Unfortunately, at anywhere SR conflict is there, he will replace SR by S. Unfortunately, at anywhere R5 by R7, RR conflict is there, he will replace R5, R7 by R5. Just remember this. This is the only thing which is required for the ACT tool. More than this, they don't ask you. More than this, they don't ask you. Right? Careful. Right? More than this, they don't ask you. Now, can you help me now? What is the answer for this problem? It detects, right? So, he is asking, can you see the problem? He is asking, what is the problem? The above grammar and the semantic rules are fed to a ACT tool, which is the LELR1 parser generator for parsing and evaluating arithmetic expression. Which one of the following is true about the action of ACT for the given grammar? What is the answer? It detects shift reduce conflict and resolve the conflict in favor of shift over reduce. Answer is C. Answer is C. See the option D also. It detects shift reduce conflict and resolve the conflict in favor of reduce. No. No. Now see the option B. It detects reduce conflict and resolve. It didn't said how to resolve, how it will resolve. Right? Favoring to what? It didn't said. So if at all MSQ, you can go for B and C. If it is a MCQ, go for C because C is more clarity. C not only saying it will resolve, it is saying how it will resolve also. Option C saying that it will detect shift reduce conflict and resolve the conflict in favor of shift over reduce. Option C saying that it will resolve. How it will resolve also he mentioned. But option B saying it detects RR conflict and resolves. That is also right. But how it will resolve? It didn't said clearly. So MSQ both B and C. MCQ C. MCQ C. MSQ both. MSQ both. This is the one of the very important question. It is one of the very important one. Please take care. Small doubt also there. Please let me know. So from today onwards, if anyone asks you, what is the use of YAC tool? What is the answer? YAC tool will create LALR1 parsing table. LALR1, right? So YAC tool, right? Using YAC tool for the given grammar, you can create LALR1 parsing table. LALR1 parsing table you can create. So not only creating, yet anywhere conflicts are there. Yet anywhere conflicts are there. Yet anywhere conflicts are there. It will replace SR by S. It will replace RR, right? R1, R2 by R1. That is the purpose. Using YAC tool, you can create LALR1 parsing table for the given grammar. At anywhere conflicts will come, it will resolve those conflicts. SR by S, R1, R2 by R1. Please be careful. Please careful. And those people who are having small doubt also, please let me know. It's very difficult when you don't know this keyword. By seeing YAC, some people will die also. Some people will die by seeing YAC. By seeing YACC, some people will go for suicide attempt also. They will die by seeing YAC. So nothing about YAC, you should know only this. If you Google it out also, you will get same only. If you see any standard book also, you will see this only. You will see this only. Check anyone having doubt. Yeah, true. Anyone? Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. Anyone say, sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Yeah, hi Manoj. Hi. Verify. Anyone having small doubt also, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. This is the problem. So, listen now. Listen. By seeing grammar, I can say, it is an ambiguous grammar. By seeing grammar, I can say it is an ambiguous grammar. This ambiguous grammar, if you give to any parser, right? You give to LL parser or LR parser. You give to any parser in these two, guarantee conflict will come because it is ambiguous grammar. So conflict came, right? Then you are given to YAC tool. YAC tool will eliminate conflicts. How it will eliminate? It will favor someone. It will favor someone. SR, it will replace by S. RR, it will replace by first R. First or means in the grammar, which production came first. While entering the grammar, which production you enter first, that one will given more priority. So careful. Yeah. Now let's go to the, before going to the next one, right? Let's see, right? Small announcement from the Unacademy, right? It will take only few minutes. It is my responsibility to say about this. Just give few minutes, I will finish it off. It may be useful to some people, right? See this. So if you want to join Unacademy, right, you can write Unacademy Combat, right, which is the scholarship test. You can get the discount. If you do the good performance in the Unacademy Combat, you will get the full discount. If they ask the referral code, apply. If they ask the referral code, apply. Reddies are live. So every Sunday at 11 a.m. Unacademy Combat is there, which is the scholarship test you can write. Every Sunday, right? Last Sunday 21 it happened. Next 28 it will happen. 28. Next Sunday 28th November. 28th November at 11 a.m. it will happen. Right? So please participate in that combat and get the maximum discount. Join in Unacademy. Next one. So if you are a student and you are preparing for any competitive exam, my sincere suggestion is in your cell phone, right? Unacademy learning app should be there. If you have that app, so many free classes are there. So many special classes are there which are free. I wish you will go to the Unacademy learning app and you will see all the special classes. Next one, you can participate in the live class also. Special class, live class also you can participate whenever class going on. If you have any doubt, you can use the raise a hand option. Using raise a hand option, you can talk with the teacher by voice call. Right? My suggestion is please utilize this. It is one of the great things which happened in the Unacademy app. Right? I think everyone will experience this. Next one. Right? Those students who are successful in their life by getting the nice job or the right GATE rank, good GATE rank. Right? So they are giving, right? Unacademy taking their interviews and all. They will share all their experience. If you want to see their videos, scan this QR code, you will get those videos. Right? So scan this QR code, you are able to see all the videos. Champions speak means all the toppers what, right? They will share their experience. Next one, in the Unacademy app only there is one option, doubts and solution. When you click on that, it will ask, right? Take the picture or take from gallery. Right? After selecting, they will ask crop it. After cropping, please send. Right? So whichever you send, right, to that question within 24 hours, right? Some representatives will come. They start giving answer to your problem. If possible, they will give video solutions also. And one more. If you are an iconic member in the Unacademy, if you are iconic member, means if you are taken iconic subscription, you can book a slot, 1-to-1 slot. You can book slot with the mentor. You can directly talk with the mentor. You can discuss your doubts. You can clarify your concepts. You can use like this. Book dedicated slot, right? Book dedicated 1-to-1 session with the mentor. Discuss your, right, all your doubts. It is one of the extraordinary feature which is there in the Unacademy app. Please utilize it. This is only for iconic members. Next one. If you are preparing for 2023 GATE exam, my suggestion to you is take the 12-month subscription now. Get the 3 more months of extra validity. Only for 29K. Subscribe now. See this one. If you subscribe today, right, GATE 2023, 15 more months are there. Right? 13 subjects. Easily you can prepare. So even though you are a normal student, if you plan in advance, you can do some extraordinary things. My suggestion is without delay, subscribe today. So use the referral code to get the 10% discount. Use the referral code Reddies are live. Next one. So right, this is a very, very important thing I want to announce you. Right? Today at 9:15 a.m. compiler design just started. Today at 9:15 a.m. compiler revision just I started. 24th November. Today I started. Today I started compiler design at 9:15 a.m. Right? Tomorrow onwards the actual class will start. Tomorrow onwards the actual class will start. Those people who want to join in that class, right? So my suggestion is use this code and join as soon as possible. If you delay more days, right, you will miss the so many things. My suggestion is, right, so just apply this code and join. Today only compiler revision started, only introduction is happened. Tomorrow onwards the actual class will start. Yeah, let's go to right, next problem. Can you see this problem? It is a very interesting problem. Can you see this? Extension to the previous problem. Extension to the previous problem. So extension to the previous problem. Consider the following expression grammar. The semantic rules and the expression calculations are next to the each, right, grammar production. For the first production, it is a semantic action. For the first production, it is a semantic action. For the second production, it is a semantic action. For the third production, it is a semantic action. Right? So, means you want to say consider the following SDT. Total is SDT, everyone know. Total is SDT. Total is SDT. Next one. The grammar and semantic rules are fed to a YAC tool for parsing and evaluating arithmetic expressions. That's okay. Now listen. Consider an expression 3 star 2 plus 1. What precedence and associativity properties does the generated parser realize? Right? So you want to say that if I want to evaluate this expression using this grammar, you know very well, right? Using this grammar, if I want to evaluate this expression, please help me in this grammar, which is the highest priority. In this grammar, which is the highest priority? Everyone know it is the ambiguous grammar. You cannot say which is the highest priority. He blamed you by giving grammar like this. He blamed you. You know all these three productions are for same variable. Means all are same level. Same level means same priority. You cannot say which is the highest priority. For the given grammar, this expression, if you see star operator plus operator, which is the highest priority. Normally in the C programming, star is highest priority, plus is the least priority. But in this grammar, all are having same priority. So how to evaluate this expression? How to evaluate this expression? See, associativity also not there. That is the reason it is ambiguous grammar. Given grammar is ambiguous means for the given expression, multiple parse tree is possible, multiple answer. But everyone know. I given this grammar and this expression to the YAC tool. I given this grammar and this expression to the YAC tool. So everyone know. Even though ambiguity is there, even though conflict is there, YAC tool will resolve. Even though ambiguity is there, conflict is there, YAC tool will resolve. So how it will resolve, you will see now. He is asking what is the answer. Some options are given. Now listen everyone. This is the expression 3 star 2 plus 1. This is the expression. Who will be done first? According to grammar is the ambiguous grammar. If I go to the YAC tool, he will replace SR by SO. Right? R1, R2 by R1. Be careful. So I am doing this. Who will be done first? Using YAC tool, who will be done first? I will check once. Everyone listen. I will check once. See how I am checking. Everyone listen. See how I am checking. See this one. First 3 coming. Yeah, fine. Next star coming. Everyone listen. First 3 coming. So I printed here. Next star is coming. I kept in the stack. See how I am resolving. Operand is coming. Print 2. Right? Operator is coming. Push. That's okay. Now again operand is coming. Print. That's okay. Now see operator coming. Careful. Operator coming. When operator is coming, should I push inside or not? That is the question here. When operator is coming, should I push inside or not? But remember, listen, remember everyone. Suppose if I push now on star operator, if I push now, Now who is on the top of the stack? Plus is there. Whoever is there on the top of the stack is the highest priority, because stack property, you know, last in first out. Whoever is on the top of the stack, he will be done first. Now listen, star operator plus operator, who is the highest priority? Star operator plus operator, who is the highest priority? According to grammar, both are same priority. According to grammar, both are same priority. Now listen, what is the meaning of both are same priority? According to grammar, both are same priority means on star you can keep plus also, then plus will be done. You can pop also, you can push also, you can pop also. If you push now, plus will be done first. If I pop now, star will be done first. I am in dilemma, can I push or pop? I am in dilemma, can I push or pop? You may push also, you may pop also, because both are same priority. Given grammar, both are same priority. You may push also. If you push, plus will be done, because on the top of the stack plus will be there. If you pop, star will be done first. So I am in dilemma, should I push or pop? Push means, right, shift to. Pop means, see, pop means reduce. Push means shift to. Pop means reduce. This is called SR conflict. What is the meaning? You may push, you may pop. You may push, you may pop. If you push, on the top of the stack plus is there, it will be done first. If you pop, right, star will be done first. I am in dilemma, which one should be done? You may push, you may pop. I think everyone know. If I ask Yak tool, SR conflict is coming. Hello Yak tool, what should I do? What the Yak tool will do? SR replaced by S. What is the meaning? Shift only. What is the meaning? Plus will come. Shift only, plus will come. Careful. Plus will come. Right? Plus came. Right? SR is there. You may push, you may pop. Because of both are same priority, I don't know whether I have to push or not. If I push, top of the stack plus will be done. If I pop, star will be done. I am in dilemma. Can I push or pop? Means SR conflict. Yak tool will replace SR by S. Means he will push. He will push. I think, can you help me now? Afterwards, 1 is coming. So 1, operand print. Operand print. Now, total expression is over. Total expression over. Who is the top of the stack? Plus. Plus will be done first. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Right? So this is 3. Now 3. I think this is over 3. Next star. 3 into 3. I think 9. 9 will be printed. 9 will be printed. Careful. SR replaced by S. Right? So finally plus will be done. Finally plus will be done. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So can anyone help me now? Can anyone help me now? Who done first? Who done first? Careful. Who done first is whoever. Doesn't even first star came. Next plus came. On star you are pushing plus. Suppose assume that after this plus again star will come push only. Everywhere SR by S. SR by S. Suppose assume that afterwards again star 3 came. What is the answer? On star you are pushing plus. On plus star will push. So what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Every time you will push only. SR by S. SR by S. If you keep on pushing like this one, who will be done first? Last person will be done first. Last person. What is the meaning? Last one will be done first. Indication that right to left associativity. Right to left associativity. Suppose in the first star came push. Next again star came push. Next again plus came push. Next again star push. Next again plus push. Next again star push. Some people are asking, sir, if you keep on pushing like this, who will be done first? Whoever came late, he will be done. Whoever came late, he will be done. What is the meaning? This is called right to left associativity. First right to, next right to, next right to, next right to, next right to, right to left associativity. So now listen. What is the answer for this problem? If you give this expression to the Yak tool, what the Yak tool will do is star he will push, plus also he will push. After expression is over, right? Last one will be done. I think it will be done first. 3 into 3 is 9. Can you say what is the priority? Priority same, but associativity is whoever came last, he will be done first. Whoever came late, he will be done first. So what is the answer? Equal precedence and right associativity means right to left. Expression will be evaluated to 9. So B is the answer. Expression will be evaluated to 9. B will be the answer. So after plus, one more plus. I think Mukesh, tomorrow only, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, in compiler subject you will see that story. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, in compiler subject you will see that story. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, in compiler class, the story will come, Mukesh. Mukesh, if possible, you attend. If possible, you attend. Now, how many, those people who are listening, can anyone help, who will be done here? See this one? Those people who are listening this story, just I want to ask you one small thing. Can anyone help me? What is the answer of this? Listen, what is the answer? Star plus, star plus, star plus, star star. Can you say which operator will be done first? If those people who are watching, please let me know. Star plus, star plus, star plus, star star. Who will be done first? If I give that grammar to the act tool, in this particular operators, which operator will be done first? Can anyone say? Which operator can be done first? Can anyone say? Which is the highest priority? Which is the highest priority? Which is the highest priority? Suppose some operands are there. It may be A, maybe B, maybe C, maybe D, maybe E, maybe F, maybe G, maybe H, maybe I. Some operands are there, it's okay. Can you help which one will be done first? Can you guess now? What is the answer? Remember, last star, right? Remember, last star. So last one will be done first. This will be done. Because see this one, first star came. On star plus push. On plus star push. That is the meaning of shift reduce. Already star is there. On that plus coming. I don't know whether I have to push or pop. If I pop, star will be done. If I push, plus will be done. On plus again star, again push. On star again plus, again push. So all push operations will be done. Now at the end of the expression, E will be done first. So what are the priorities here? Same priority, but associativity is right to left. Right should be done first. Next right to, next right, like that. So equal priority, precedence means priority. Equal priority and right associativity. Expression will be evaluated to 9. Can you say how much this expression will be evaluated? Please give the answer to me. What is this answer? If I give this expression to the act tool, what will be the answer here? Can anyone say? If I give this expression to the act tool, what will be the answer? If I give this expression to the act tool, what will be the answer? If I give this expression to the act tool, what will be the answer? Can anyone say? If I give this expression to the act tool, what will be the answer? Yeah, 5, because first 3 into 1 will be done 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 it is. For this expression 5. Can you say for this expression what is the answer? 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 3 star 2 plus 1. What is the answer? Last will be done. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Which will be done? Right to left. So right to left associativity is same priority. Equal priority, right to left associativity. Expression will be evaluated to 9. So B is the answer. B is the answer. Yeah, those people who are watching, I am teaching for you only. If you have doubt, ask me. Those people who are listening, those people who are watching this lecture, I am teaching for you only. If you have doubt, please let me know. If you have doubt, please let me know. I am teaching for you only. If you have doubt, please let me know. Check once. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. I'm teaching for you only. If you don't ask doubts, there is no meaning of teaching. I may not feel good when you don't reply. I don't like teaching. I don't want to teach. When you don't ask anything. Yeah, someone is asking, sir, why we cannot change string constant? Name itself is string constant, man. Name itself is string constant. How can you change? Name itself is, see the name, string constant. Constant, how can you change? Constant, how can you change? Constant, how can you change? You only say. Those people who are watching, please let me know if you have doubt. Please let me know if you have doubt. Right, perfect, Mukesh. Let's go to the next problem. Let's go to the next problem. It is the next problem. Can you try this? What is the answer? See carefully. Consider the following grammar. S goes to A goes to BD, B goes to BR epsilon, D goes to DR epsilon. Let A comma B comma D and $B indexed as A means 3, B means 2, D means 1, means 0 is given. Just mapping it on. A means 3, B means 2, D means 1, means 0. Let A, B, D and $B indexed as A3, B2, D1, right, 0. Next, compute the follow set of the non-terminal B and write the index values of the symbols in the follow set in the descending order. For example, if follow is ABCD, assume that follow is ABCD, assume, then you have to return. So can you help in what is the A? Then you have to write follow is, assume that ABD, what is the A? 3, what is the B? 2, what is the D? 1, what is the D? What is the 0? You have to return this in descending order. I think it is descending. Yes, in the descending order you have to write every symbol. See, find the follow, every symbol map with the digit, map with the index number. After mapping, write all of them in the descending order. Careful, descending order you have to write. So I think he already explained. Now what he is asking, see. Compute the follow set of the non-terminal B. You have to find out. Compute the follow set of non-terminal B. Can you check? In this grammar, what is the follow of B? Yeah, thank you, Harshit. Thank you. Why we cannot change string constant? Constant we cannot change. Yeah, Mukesh is now clear. Now listen. In this grammar, what is the follow of B? If anyone knows. If anyone knows what is follow of B. If anyone knows what is the follow of B. If anyone knows, sir, what is the follow of B? Can you help me now? If you want to find out follow of any person, so like this, go to the grammar. Listen, I want to find out follow of B. Go to the grammar, arrow symbol, go right side. Yeah, after going right side of the arrow symbol, find out where is the B, capital B here. So follow of B is equal to, I think only one place. Follow of B is equal to first of D. Let me write now. Follow of B. is equal to first of D. First of D. Can you see the grammar and talk? What is the first of D? First of D is D and epsilon. First of D is D and epsilon. Please remember, first of D is D and epsilon. It's okay. But follow, at the end of the day, it is the follow. Follow never contain epsilon. Follow of B is first of D. First of D is D and epsilon. Right? Follow never contain epsilon. What you do is cancel epsilon. Cancel epsilon. After cancelling epsilon, because he is given epsilon. After cancelling epsilon, go next to. Is there any next to? Whenever epsilon came, don't write epsilon. Go next to. Is there any next to? Follow of B is first of D. First of D is D and epsilon. Whenever epsilon came, don't write, because follow never contain epsilon. Instead of not writing, just go next symbol. Next not there. After D not there. So this epsilon will be compensated by, because of no one is there. So just go to parent. What is the meaning? For the B and D, parent is A. Then simply write follow of A. Then simply write follow. Epsilon cancel, replace by follow of A. What is the follow of A? Same story. Go right hand side. Go right hand side. Go right hand side. Where is A? Find out. Go right hand side. Where is A? Find out. Because you have to find out follow of A. Go right hand side just to see where is the capital A. Here. Right hand side capital A, one place only. So follow of A is first of A. I think a terminal. First of A is A only. First of A is A only. Follow of A is first of small terminal A only. So finally, follow of B is first of D, which is the D and epsilon. Follow never contain epsilon, cancel epsilon. Go further, not there. Then go to parent. Follow of A. Follow of A is A. So finally, follow of B is DA. Finally, follow of B is DA. D and A. Can anyone help me now? What is the D index number? 1. What is the A index number? 3. Follow of B is DA. D index number is 1. A index number is 3. But you have to write in the descending order. What is the answer? 3, 1. 3, 1. Descending order you have to write. Just find out follow. For every person give index number. Right? Write all index numbers in the decreasing order. So answer is, I think, 3, 1. Answer is 3, 1. A is the answer. A is the answer. A is the answer. A is the answer. Yeah, which color required? Kritika, which color required? Kritika, which color required? Please let me know which color required. And one more important thing. So listen everyone now. Compiler is very easy if you know first and follow. Compiler is very easy if you know first and follow. If you don't know first and follow, compiler is very tough. In our classes for first and follow, I will say minimum 30 problems. First and follow, in our classes we used to see minimum 30 problems are there. First is 15 problem, follow is 15 problem. Totally 30 problems are there, different variations. Those people who will attend my lecture, they never forget first and follow. If you attend my lecture, right, first and follow, you never forget. You never forget. Today only compiler design is started. Today only. 24th November. Today only compiler design started. Today only compiler design is started. So starting classes happen today. Tomorrow onwards, the actual story will happen. If you attend my lecture of compiler design, first and follow, we will do 30 problems. You never do mistake. You never do mistake first and follow if you attend my lecture. So answer for this problem is 3, 1. Why? He is asking find follow of B. Follow of B is DA. D index is 1. A index is 3. So write the index numbers in the decreasing order, 3, 1. If anyone write 1 3, it is a serious problem. 3 1 3 1 3 1. Careful. I think by God grace, see, by God grace, see, 3 1 1 3 not there. 3 1 only there, 1 3 not there. You are lucky. You are lucky. So these two cannot be the answer, because you should write in the decreasing order. How you get the 2 3 0? How you got 2 3? You should write decreasing order. So C and D cannot be answer. Answer should be either A or B. But I got only two symbols, D and A. I got only two symbols, D and A. Then where is the chance of getting 3 symbol? No chance. 3 symbols, no chance. So answer is A. So answer is A. Check anyone having doubt. Check once. Those people who are watching, instead of sitting like a stone, why don't you ask doubt? Why don't you ask doubt instead of sitting like a stone? How can you sit like a stone? Why don't you ask doubt? Sir, this is my doubt. Sir, this is my doubt. Why don't you ask the doubt? If you ask me, I don't decrease your internal marks. If you ask me, I don't decrease your internal marks. Why don't you ask? What will you lose by asking? If you have doubt, please ask me. Sir, I have this doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Anu Ajay saying that, sir, DS questions are ended. Ajay, don't worry, Ajay. Next month again will come. Every month, right? In every month, 1 week, 1. Whenever, right? Algo DS is going on. You are saying, audio is not clear. Audio is not clear. Whenever it is over, you are crying. Sir, it is over. You are crying. Whenever Algo DS going on, you are crying. Audio not clear. Now everything clear. That subject is over. Brainless fellow. Again in the next month, starting Algo DS will come. Again next month Algo DS will come. Don't worry. Until that time, whatever over, you revise. Anyone, those people who are watching, let me know if you have doubt. Yeah, see this problem. This also nice problem. Can you see this? One grammar is given, and he's saying where SF and H are non-terminal symbols. These are non-terminals. P, D and C are terminal symbols. These are terminal symbols. Then which one of the following statement is true? One grammar is given. He said that S, F, H are non-terminal. P, D, C are terminals. Then which one of the following statement is true? S1. LL1 can parse all strings that are generated using grammar G. S2. LR1 can parse all strings that are generated using grammar G. Next one, right? He is asking which are true statement. S1, S2, which are true? Option A, only S1. Option B, only S2. Option C, both. Option D, none. So one grammar is given and listen, one grammar is given, is saying S1, option 1, right? S1 is saying that given grammar is LL1. S2 saying that given grammar is LR1. Right? Options are saying that which is true. One grammar given, if you want I will write the grammar also. If you want, I will write the grammar also. S goes to, see the grammar. S goes to F and H. S goes to F and H. And F goes to and H goes to. I am writing the grammar again. In one page I am writing grammar. F goes to P and C. Next one, H goes to D and C. D and C. D and C. So S, F, H are variable. P, D, C are terminals. Careful. So, right, S1 is saying that given grammar is LL1. S2 saying that given grammar LR1. S1 is saying that given grammar is LL1. S2 saying that given grammar is LR1. LR1. Then, can you help me? Which statement is right? Which statement is wrong? Can you check? Which statement is right? Which statement is wrong? Kajal, you are correct. Thank you so much. For giving correct answer. Thank you, Kajal. Yeah, you are right. Someone is mentioned. Sir, given grammar is a ambiguous grammar. Someone is mentioned. Given grammar is a ambiguous grammar. If the given grammar is a ambiguous grammar, how it will be LL1? How it is possible LR1? It is a ambiguous grammar. Exactly. Thank you. Exactly, it's the ambiguous grammar. Some people are asking, sir, how can you say it is the ambiguous grammar? Some people are asking, how can you say it is the ambiguous grammar? See this one. S goes to F. F goes to C. So, to generate C, it is a one parse tree. One more parse tree. S goes to H. H goes to C. One more parse tree. To generate C, two parse trees. So, ambiguous grammar. Ambiguous grammar can never be LL1. Ambiguous grammar can never be LR1. Ambiguous grammar can never be LL1. Ambiguous grammar can never be LR1. Exactly. Kajal is given correct answer. Right? Santanu is given correct answer. Both are given correct answer. He is given explanation also. Thank you. He said D for Delhi because ambiguous grammar. What a nice line. One line ambiguous. That itself is given clarity. Now, those people who are watching the video, those people who are watching the lecture, can you subscribe Unacademy Flux YouTube channel? Can you subscribe the YouTube channel? What you are watching, can you subscribe it? So that you don't miss one of my lecture also. One lecture of mine also you don't miss. Can you subscribe it? Can you like the video also? See, this is given. See, all the problems whatever I taught, right? They all came in the GATE exam. Whatever I taught, all came in the GATE exam. They will be really useful to you. Please don't buy hard the problem. Please buy hard the concept. Please don't buy hard the problems. Please don't buy hard the answers. Buy hard the concept. If you buy hard the concept, you will get the marks. If you buy hard the concept, you will get the marks. So, listen, those people who are not comfortable, with the compiler subject, if you are not comfortable with the compiler subject, my sincere suggestion to you, if you are not comfortable with the compiler subject, my sincere suggestion to you, tomorrow onwards, the actual compiler is starting at 9:15 a.m. Without missing, please attend. Right, tomorrow 9:15 onwards, comparative design, actual story is going to start, main story going to start. Without, right, without missing, use it. If they ask you referral code, use Reddy sir. Reddy sir live. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone. Tomorrow we'll see with some more problem. Tomorrow we'll see with some more problems. Right, thanks all. Thanks everyone. Thanks Harshit. Thanks Arshit. Thanks Anu. Thanks Kajal. Thanks Shantanu. Thanks Kritika. Thanks everyone. Good night. See you tomorrow.